ick. What is it? How does it affect your fish? How do you take care of it? Let's find out. It's one of the most common illnesses that we're going to see in our aquarium keeping hobby. So how do you know your fish has ick? Well, you'll see little white spots on your fish. It's going to look like someone dipped your fish in salt, basically. There's also going to be some behavioral changes that you'll notice in your fish. They'll probably be rubbing up against things or flashing against a core in the gravel in an attempt to get the ick off of them, as ick is a parasite that is going to attach itself to your fish's body. You might also notice a loss of appetite. Like when we're sick, we don't want to eat. Same thing with our fish. You might also notice that they might be hiding more than usual. These are just a couple of the common signs that you're going to notice in your fish when they might have ick. Now, the weird thing with ick is it's kind of always present in our tanks and doesn't really affect our fish until their immune systems and bodies are compromised and stressed by something else, like bad water quality, or transferring between an infected tank with nets or other things, or hoses and sponges or water from an infected fish tank. Now, some people say this isn't true, some people say it is. Personally, I think it is true that it's always present in our tanks, because I've had a tank that had no new fish in it. It was 6 months after I added the last known fish. Nothing new was put in this tank, no things were transferred. And I had a temperature issue where we had like -20s here, and the heater failed. And my temperature went from 78 down to 60 overnight. I got the lights on, and my fish had ick the next day after this happened. And I think that temperature fluctuation was enough to stress them and get them to have ick. So how can we keep our fish safe? Well, we can quarantine new fish, plants, and inverts when we get them to protect bringing them into our tanks. So you have a separate tank, you put them in there for a few weeks, you don't notice anything on them, you're good to add them. You can clean your maintenance equipment in between uses. I do this with a bucket of scalding hot water. Our water comes out of our tap just 10 degrees below boiling. I fill up a 5-gallon bucket. I use my hose. I stick the hose and the nozzle in there. Let it sit there while I'm doing stuff on the other tanks. Some people do a bleach dip where they fill a bucket up with some bleach water. Same concept. I just prefer to stay away from bleach with my tanks. Keeping your water quality good is probably one of the best pieces of advice I can give you to avoid getting ick in your tank. To me, I think of ick as the common cold. Do we get the common cold? We have it all the time, don't we? Because when do we get it? When we're extremely overworked, we're tired, we're fatigued, we're not eating right, we get stressed out. Well, fish are the same thing. They get stressed out, they're going to get sick because their immune system's compromised. We get stressed out, immune's compromised. We're burning the midnight oil from both ends, of course we're going to get compromised. So I think of it like that. So if we provide them with clean water and make sure the temperature isn't fluctuating like crazy, and we can limit most of the stressors that would cause our fish to wear down and get sick, that is probably the best advice, is to keep your water quality as clean as possible. Now for the question of how do we treat ick when our fish have it. First thing, if you don't have any medicine on hand, turn that temperature up. The more you increase your temperature, the faster it speeds up the life cycle of that ick. Since most of us keep our tanks between 72 and 76, bump it up to 80. Then slowly bump it up to 82, 84. Some people say go as high as 86. Now, most of our fish in our tanks are not going to be able to tolerate high temperatures like that. Personally, I wouldn't really go above 84 because it will stress your fish out, which could, of course, also make them worse. You can also add salt to your tanks. This will help as well. The best option I found is using an ick medicine, whether it's an IckX or API's Ick Cure, some type of ick medicine. Anything is better than nothing. Follow the dosing instructions on that, and your fish will probably be okay, but you're probably going to end up losing fish too, so be prepared for that. Think of it like when we're treating things in humans. Sometimes the treatment is worse than the outcome of curing it. Your fish will become more stressed, which can cause them to die from secondary causes beyond the ick. So for a quick example here, I had ick break out in my community tank. I had 20 to 30 tetras in there. I lost about 12 tetras during the treatment process. But I had another tank, 6 black neon tetras, ick. Treated it, didn't lose a single one. So it all depends on the species you have in your tank. So ick is simply not fun at all. And if you follow some of these simple preventative measures, you can prevent it most of the time in this hobby, and you might be able to avoid it altogether. So it just sucks. So it gets a 0 out of 10. I'm not giving it any points at all. We'll talk about medicines and stuff more in depth later on. But as always, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your best regimen for treating ick. Let me know if you've never gotten ick before. Leave a like on the video, and if you have not yet, hit that sub button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.